How to make a bar graph in Excel. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to have to first create a graph. So we can do that by highlighting this one right here. And then we are going to go ahead and click Insert. And here is the bar graph. So you can click this. And then there are different options here. We have 2D column, we have 3D column, 2D bar, and 3D bar. So say for example, we're just going to choose the first one here, the simplest one. There you go. After doing so, you can just go ahead and drag this one and fit this wherever you think necessary. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and put it there. Now this time we can go ahead and adjust this one as well. I'm going to click the graph, and then you see this kind of like circle here. You can just go ahead and drag this just like so in order to fit it to your needs. Now, apart from resizing it, we can also change the sales or the chart title here. You can go ahead and double click it, and then you should be able to change this by basically typing. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that one and then change it to annual sales, just like so. Now I'm going to close this one and then hit this in order for the changes to be applied. Now, say for example, you don't like the colors, you can also change that one. So I'm just going to click the graph once again, and under the chart design, you have here change colors. Go ahead and click this one and choose which one fits the best with your theme or with your motif. So I'm just going to choose it, for example, this one right here. And then apart from that one, you can also change the design. So you can just head to chart design, click this one, and then say for example, I'm gonna choose some design here. Okay, this one. There you go. Now you can see that it has changed. Now I'm just going to show you one powerful thing here. So the data that you have here, you can actually change it easily. For example, here this is 24,500 as of the moment. Now I'm going to change January. Let's go ahead and put here, let's say 10,000. If we are going to hit enter, you should see this change. So take a look at this one. There you go. So whatever changes that you are going to make here, it is going to apply right away. And that is how to make bar graph in Excel.